In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime to Venmo. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends or paying someone back, transferring money between these two platforms is a convenient option. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu. The Settings option is usually found in the top right corner or bottom menu, depending on your device. Next, tap on Payment Methods. This section allows you to manage how you send and receive money. Here, you'll want to select Add Bank or Card. This is where you'll link your Chime account to Venmo. When prompted, choose Bank Account. At this point, you'll need to select Manual Verification. This is important because it allows you to input your bank details directly. Now, open your Chime app to get the necessary information. Go to your profile and then to Account Info. Here, you'll find your Chime routing number and account number. Write these down or remember them, as you'll need to enter them into Venmo. After entering your Chime routing number and account number into Venmo, the app will likely send small test deposits to your Chime account. These deposits are a standard procedure used to verify that your account details are accurate. Keep an eye on your Chime account for these deposits. Once they appear, you'll need to confirm them within the Venmo app to complete the verification process. With your Chime account successfully verified, head over to the Transfer section in Venmo. Here, you'll select your Chime account as the destination for the transfer. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Be sure to double-check the figures to avoid any mistakes. Once you're ready, confirm the transfer. And that's it! You've successfully transferred money from Chime to Venmo. This method is not only reliable, but also ensures that your funds are moved securely between accounts. Remember, staying on top of your finances is crucial, and using these apps efficiently can make managing your money a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy transferring!